Welcome. In front of me is a IGET Smart L203, and today I'll show you how to put the device into Fastboot mode. And to get started, hold power key and select power off. Once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume down, both of them at the same time. Now I'm keeping my hand so that the camera doesn't focus on this bar right here. It's infuriating by now. So anyway, hold power key and volume down, and when you see the IGET logo, let go of the power key but keep holding volume down. Now it does take several seconds for it to actually appear. There we go. Keep holding volume down only. You will see the Android with no command, as you can see right now. So to get past this, you want to hold power key now and press volume up once, like so. This will take you to the recovery mode. Now in this mode, as you can see, you will use volume keys to navigate and power key to confirm whatever is selected. Now I'll flip the device over just so you can see it better. And from here, using, like I said, volume keys, you want to scroll down and select enter Fastboot and then confirm it with power key. And there we go, we are now in Fastboot mode. So that is how you boot the device into this mode, and once you're done with it and you want to leave it, then all you need to do is select Reboot System now as it is selected, and again power key. And there we go, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.